Today I am going to show you how to make tuna dishes along with the side dishes. Um, I love ginger and I like to incorporate that into my diet and a regular diet. So I have this ginger recipe for you guys. Even though you don't see me measuring, this is just for me, but I was trying to do the measurement to test how it tastes like first, and then I write it down for you guys. But for me, I'm just more likely eyeballing it most of the time. Um, so on some of these recipes, you can just adjust it yourself after you try the first, you try my recipe, and if it works for you, keep the same recipe. Otherwise, you can modify it to work for you. And after I put on the flavor, I just set it aside for about 15 minutes or so to marinate it. It will taste better. If you need a little bit of salt, you can sprinkle a little bit of salt in there, but I'm trying to um, controlling my salt intake. I'm heating up the skillet to make it hot, and tuna is really quick to get done. So if you like it kind of juicy, then you want to just do 2 minutes each side. But if you like it a little bit tougher, then it will be about 3 minutes each side. So I'm showing you guys like I do the tuna first, but in reality, I'm actually uh, preparing the other dishes first. I would start with the sweet potato because it takes like 40 minutes for them to cook. So I would prepare the sweet potato first, and then in the meantime, and then the rice next, and then after that I will do the tuna, because tuna it only takes like 4 or 5 minutes to get done. This is the sprout that I made, and I also have a video to show you guys how to make sprouts. This is a broccoli and alfalfa sprouts. They are super healthy for you. So I make it on a regular basis for a regular consumption. Is super good for your immunity and overall health. So I encourage you guys to checking out my other video, show you how to making sprouts. With the sweet potato, I normally just lightly sprinkle the flavor in there, like a little olive oil, a little salt, a little pepper. I usually don't have a regular recipe for this. I'm just do it super light to have a little bit flavor, but I do not like to add too much stuff to it. Um, it it's healthy by itself, so I don't think it's necessary for me to add more stuff. I like to modify my rice. So I know that my weakness is white rice. So I sometimes I do mix like half of quinoa, half of white rice, or sometimes I mix a mixture of white rice, quinoa, and lentils into the rice. So that way, it's diluting out the badness basically. So I also adding spices, not ginger, garlic powder, turmeric, and flaxseed. Those All of those stuff is super healthy for you, and like garlic powder, it's great for anti-inflammatory, great for your heart health, lower blood pressure, and turmeric is similar, and then flaxseed helps with um, omega-3, your heart health, and all the other good stuff. And I normally don't like to take supplement, so most of the time I'm trying to modify my food to have all the things that I need for my body without have to taking supplement on the side. Thank you for watching today. I hope that you guys get to enjoy some of my dishes and incorporate that into your daily life. And also, I do have other videos that I share on my website and my actually on my YouTube. So I hope that you guys get to check those out and maybe learning something from it. Thank you.